that is Samantha Akkineni. We have welcomed her, made her daughter-in-law of Andhra Pradesh. And we also welcome this Samantha to Bangalore, Karnataka and South India. I wish all the success. Though we don't, this Samantha is meant for passion, art and culture. So after coming here, I realized I should have brought my wife. She would have purchased some sarees. Definitely, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if the exhibition continues, I will bring my family here. I welcome you all. I know Samantha from since 5 years. He is a down-to-earth person. Really, sir, thank you. We are honored. I wish all the success. Thank you.
On the dais, my dear friend and founder of KIIT and KISS, Dr. Achyuta Samantha, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, and my friend Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan, and Honorable Member of Lok Sabha, and my dear friend Sri Tejasvi Surya, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, I was wondering why there are more men on the dais than women while launching a sari. Ultimately, the men who appreciate good things in life brought her a sari. What better gift a man can give to his wife is nothing but a sari. I think Achyuta Samantha has very carefully chosen today's dignitaries, and really I am very honored and delighted to be here. I know Dr. Achyuta Samantha since 20 years. I visited his campus in 2002, and since I've been visiting the place almost every year. He is a wonderful person. He is a wonderful source of inspiration, and he is a great friend. He called me, he invited me when he was filing his nomination for Rajya Sabha. I graced the occasion. I was really moved by his simplicity and affection. After 1 year, I was really surprised, and he was selected as a candidate for Kandhamal constituency. Later, he won the seat with a very comfortable margin. And whenever he visited Bangalore, he made it a point to meet me. In fact, we all know Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology and Kalinga Institute of Social Science.
The presence of Dr. W.P. Krishna, his immense contribution is there for the society, and Mr. Ramani Iyer, Mr. Sheshadri, and ladies and dais, dignitaries Pujita, and Mridula, Manita Kamath, leading actress, and she's doing an excellent job, and all the other dignitaries on the dais, and the entire family of Samanthas. And like all of you, I am here to wish them good wishes in their new venture. I think which they've been doing it very passionately. Madam has been a costume designer for more than 20 years, which she was doing as in a profession. And today she has come out as now as an industry. She has looked into, forayed into this area. And I wish her all the best, because it is not just one business. It is going to promote the culture of Orissa. Odia culture can be very well reflected through this fabric or the handloom, what been manufactured or been viewed by the viewers by the handwork. and even the culture and tradition of Oriya will be very effectively reflected. And as already pointed out by earlier speakers, the promoting of our culture is very important, and sustenance of the artisans also is very important. If the artisans doesn't survive, sustain, this culture or tradition cannot survive. So in this way, a lot of good things are happening through your entry. It is going to strengthen, leverage the entire industry. Many artisans are going to get livelihood, as well as promoting as well as preserving our culture. Oriya culture is very important. As a citizens of Oriya and of this country, you have done an excellent job of protecting and promoting this culture of the industry. I would like to congratulate all of you in this aspect.
Respected chief guest, other dignitaries present in the dais, our dear guest present in front of me, I welcome you all from the deep corner of my heart. मैं सोची कि मेरे भैया सब कुछ बता दिए about Odisha and Samanta's everything. When a brother like Dr. Achyuta Samanta will be with some sister, there is no doubt, no word, no fear, nothing else. I'm thankful to God, I'm grateful to God, I have got brother like him. मुझे only 2-3 बात बताना है आप लोगों को about Samantas. All about costume, हमारे पोशाक हमको साथ में लेके ऐसे जाते हैं, वो हमारे साथ बात करते हैं, आदमी को पहचान देते हैं पोशाक, आदमी को पर्सनालिटी बताते हैं पोशाक. एंड Samantas is all about पोशाक एंड कस्ट्यूम. जो मेरे बारे में एक लाइन बोला गया, आई एम द national award-winning film producer and I am the costume designer of my films. I was into costume since 20 years, but my passion was into writing, editing, journalism, interviewing, everything. But now I am very much thankful to dearest Aparna and dearest Srijit. Aparna is our next generation princess and Srijit my son. They have given me a new परिचय. वो मेरे जो कस्ट्यूम डिजाइन में उनको वो लोगों ने पहचाना एंड मुझे सामने लाए. एंड आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू ऑल. आज एक ऐसे कोइंसिडेंस है. We are from Odisha, great heritage. We are here south, great heritage, great language, great literature, great film, great everything. What a coincidence. Actually अपर्णा के साथ मुझे जलन हो रही है. फर्स्ट मीटिंग ओडिशा से आके कैसे जगह पर हो रहा है, ऐसे जगह जहाँ का लोग समझते हैं आर्ट क्या है, लिटरेचर क्या है, कल्चर क्या है, कस्ट्यूम क्या है, हेरिटेज क्या है. I am thankful to all of you. Samantas के बारे में एक लाइन, passion and passion. आप लोगों के परमिशन लेके साथ I will just introduce Samanta's family within 2 minutes. Now I will call Aparna Samanta, the director of Samanta's and NetNut. Please Aparna come.
Good afternoon to each one of you and the respected dignitaries on dais. First of all, thank you very much, sir, for inviting me here. It's my pleasure to be here for this prestigious and beautiful launch of such an amazing brand, Samantas. As a woman, we have all grown up ourselves by draping our amma's dupatta, and now it is our honor to. And we always look forward for a chance to wear a sari because sari is what adds to all our persona. And I'm sure all the ladies out here agree to me. Do you? And that is one reason why I see so many women here with a lot of colors and a lot of richness in their attire, and that is one reason why women are women and women are really, really beautiful. So myself, Pujita Menon, and I'm an actor from South, and when I was invited for Samanta's launch, I first quickly went and checked out on all the designs of Odisha, and we have always known that Odisha is very, very popular for the richness in tradition, culture and everything. And today, to be a part of this brand, it gives me immense pride and also pleasure. And Orissa, as you all know, is very rich in art and culture. And I thank Professor Achyuta Samantha ji, Aparna, the director and designer of such an amazing brand, Itirani ma'am for also being a creator designer, and for the initiative of launching Samantha's. And I'm sure with the beautiful brands that you have, Samantha's is going to go to a different milestone. And I wish each one of you all the very best in my prayers, and I'm really very happy once again to be a part of this beautiful event. So thank you very much.
ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮಂತಾಸ್ ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಟೀಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಲವ್ಡ್ ದ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ especially I love the sarees and the handloom works. Thank you so much for inviting me once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The Soul City of India. The India's best kept secret, they say. And I'm so familiar with a few forms of Odiya's art and culture and the craftsmanship. And I'm extremely privileged, in fact, to be here today amongst the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Thank you so much for inviting me. Recently, I was going through one of the novels by Jeffrey Achar, and it was also enhancing the beauty of Odisha, its culture, its beauty, and the art form. And I'm really glad that Samantha's is getting there, and then the heritage of Odisha is reviving again, and I'm sure they will reach the milestone and they'll make a mark in the international arena very soon. All the best, and thank you so much for inviting me here again.
Part of a team which is just working to help the tribal community and all this, trying to bring back the old art, a dying art, back into fashion industry, which is something which has been lacking for a very long time. From our Just Dance side, we have been trying our best to pull these guys into the limelight. But these kind of an activity, this kind of event, this kind of a helping of coming with a new fashion, I'm just telling you, it's going to do great. And we need to have more such kind of stores in malls and all, so that the public will get to know more about these fashions and these kind of traditional wear, sarees and dress materials. I wish the Samantha family all the best. Thank you all. Thank you.
Actually, I'm starting the promotion. We are doing it. Instead of doing it. Every one category you see. Oh, ma'am. Other ma'am.